The race for the smartest AR glasses just got a new contender, and it's lighter, brighter, and smarter than ever before. A pair of glasses that don't just show you information, they understand you. Weighing just 38 grams, these are even lighter than the Rocket glasses, once hailed as the lightest full-function AR wearables in the world. Lenovo has engineered a first-of-its-kind micro-LED display, built with resin diffraction waveguide technology, a world-first innovation for crystal-clear augmented visuals. And when it comes to brightness, Lenovo pulls ahead. Rocket's dual displays shine at 1500 nits, but Lenovo's single display hits a dazzling 2000 nits, bright enough to cut through sunlight with ease. Switch between monocular and binocular modes with a glance. The glasses track your eyes across a 15 by 11 millimeter area for rock-solid stability, even on the move. But visuals are just the beginning. The Wearable AI Glasses V1 come loaded with Lenovo's proprietary AI, offering live translation with conversation mode, AI-assisted navigation, and even a teleprompter function for creators and professionals. With touch controls at your fingertips and stereo speakers built right into the temples, it's designed for a seamless, intuitive experience. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.4, fast, stable, and future-ready. Inside, a 167 mAh battery delivers up to 10 hours of use in translation mode and recharges fully in just 40 minutes. It's lean, efficient, and built for all-day wear. Available now for pre-order at CNY $3,999. That's about $562. Lenovo's Wearable AI Glasses V1 undercut the Rocket glasses slightly in price, while delivering a lighter, brighter design. Still, Rocket keeps its edge with a built-in 12-megapixel camera, dual displays, and a larger 210 mAh battery. Lenovo, on the other hand, bets on minimalism and power efficiency over all-in-one functionality. So which vision of the future will win? The feature-packed Rocket or the feather-light Lenovo V1?